Hey everyone, welcome back to my garage. Declutter, organizing, summer refresh, unboxing. At this point, y'all know what type of video this is. So, today is Monday, about 4 o'clock. And if you watched last Friday, I was in here Sunday at 5:30 in the morning. Now I'm here Monday in the afternoon. I've been setting up the air condition here. I should have probably turned it on this morning so I could try to get it a little cool. And then I also wanted to see how it would work being in the afternoon. So I got it blowing that way because that's where I'm going to be. I have the fan right here, one of the fans, and then the other one right there, which I don't think it's enough, but I'm going to see how much that I can actually get done. And as always, I hope you like this type of video. If so, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, leave me a lovely comment down below. And if you're new to the channel, thank you. And don't forget to hit the subscribe if you're wondering what my channel is about. Other than that, I'll be back in between breaks, getting water and just taking a break. But today's focus is to get this one done. And I am going to try, even if I have to relax for a few more days and then come in here and do that one. But my main focus right now is to get that done. So I will put y'all on time lapse and I'll be back. Alright, y'all, I hope you enjoyed that little bit that you saw. Right now in intermission, this stand is unboxed for now, and I have more heavier stuff down at the bottom. When I do the full reveal, you'll get to see it. Now I went in and got my little ladder thing. I was saying why I'm over here. I have been pulling out boxes of a lot of my Christmas stuff right there, and Lord knows what's up there. I know I threw some Christmas stuff, but I'm seeing some dishes right there. So instead of trying to tackle the middle with this video, I am just going to clear this section out, get up top, throw all that up there, and then depending on how long this video is, then I still will add some of this middle today. So I'm going to go take a break. I hope y'all do too. It's a lot of work in this garage, and I'm sorry about the camera falling and everything. That's the whole purpose of trying to get my storage set up, you know, for my personal use, family use, my YouTube little studio, you know, where the cameras are actually on me. I'm going to be investing in some. So anyway, I'm going to stop talking. I'll be back. I'm going to go take a break. Alright, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed that clip. That was about an hour working just over in that corner. When I bought this house, this was a built-in bookshelf, which I am so grateful for, because that saves me from probably buying about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bookshelves. Now, when I first bought these black bookshelves, they were only $30. I went back and priced them over the weekend, and they are now $53. So I can't justify paying an extra $23 for another stand. In the last clip, I put everything that I could find right now, all Christmas stuff, my Christmas balls, decorations. However, I did find 2 more boxes down there that are Christmas. I am going to try to find a way in the next video to get whatever that this board is right here. I don't know why that board is up there. I don't know if it's for support. It doesn't look like it. But I'm going to get that. I'm going to get a hammer and get that ripped down, because that is really taking up a lot of space, and I want to be able to see, you know, where my stuff is when it goes time to decorate. And what I'm trying to do is utilize that top just for Christmas. Now, as you see, this little thing, that is the attic. Haven't got nerve yet to go up there, but looking at the pictures prior to us moving in, this attic is the whole length of this garage, from what I'm understanding. Child, if I can get some extra help, a manpower, I may have to pay my handyman, and because I don't see right now. Yeah, I can get it unboxed, but I do not have enough space, and that means that's bad. So I'm not gonna get all excited and whoa, whatever, because it's a lot thinking about it. But I may have to utilize my attic space in order to get all this cleaned out. I am going to go through it, and the stuff that I really want, and that's probably everything. I got to get out of that, start throwing away stuff, and so I can get the floor prepared, you know, deodorized and everything, and then measure so I can get the carpet down. It's a whole lot that's going on in this space, and once again, I am just blown away. And if I can squeeze in over here, I'm going to try to my best. You've seen the top in the big shelves, but this is what I did today. Like I said, I was just unboxing, just throwing the stuff up. There's no type of organization where, you know, everything is where it's supposed to be at. My focus is just to get the strength to get it out of the boxes and get it on the shelves. Okay. And then down there is my platters and some more dishes. I put the heavier stuff to weigh it out. So, progress. Anyone that is working and has a garage or a room that you're working on, don't get discouraged. Take an hour and focus on one spot. And I was able to get this spot open up. So I did something today. Alright, y'all. I'm done for the day. Can't do no more. That fell down. I gotta put that back up there. But here we go. This is what it's looking like. We got to work to the right. I did not do nothing over there today, but I did try to organize as much as I can for that. And here is the stand. mess. But look, I almost made it. Almost got this part done. So we may have 3 more videos. Like I said, I won't be out here and do as much as I can. You know, when I can, when I got time. But I'm really getting focused and I'm getting excited now about it. And all of this will be going in the next video. These are all the boxes that I opened up. And I'll get them cut down. Tomorrow is Tuesday, garbage day. So hopefully I'll have enough of room in my buckets to get this all done. I'll see y'all later. Have a great night. So, you know, as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. Y'all stay blessed. And I will see y'all in another garage declutter mess. Bye-bye.